Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B Bullet RC coming to you guys again with yet another video. And before we even get started today, I gotta say shouts out to the Finesse gang. Those who get here early, subscribe, finesse the bell, drop a like, leave a comment early on in the video, and you might see your name up on the screen right here with me. Now today, honestly, my plan was to drop a heater hype on y'all, but I actually went out earlier, went out with the homies, and went airsofting for the first time in a very long time. And we actually ran out to Chesapeake and did some airsofting. Very rarely do I have a chance to just take a break. Sometimes I have to just make myself take a break, and today was a Sunday fun day, but still I had to come back and get some work done. Now if you don't know what airsoft is, and yes, I'm basically just want to show off the guns I got so far. It's a milsim. So the one gun I got right here is a glaucoma. This is my one Glock. It is gas. There's nothing in it, so it's not gonna shoot anything. There's nothing in here. So yeah, that's my one gun. And then the last guy is right here. This is the main toolie. The main one I woke up with is the G36. So one of my hobbies is airsoft. That's one of the things I like to do. So this is the G36, got the little sights and stuff. But one of those hobbies I do from time to time. Is my first time actually going out to try these out. So yeah, G36, the glaucoma, and MP9. But back to the boxes. Listen, finessing, I appreciate y'all. I went into a little bit of a little spree, a little bit of rambling, so y'all can get some screen time. But let's get into what we got. First off, I'm gonna start with this because I actually got the notification for this late. I went and picked this one up in Norfolk, and this is the New York Knicks Bape and Mitchell & Ness jersey. Now I really wanted the Houston Rockets and the Boston Celtics, so if anybody has an XL in the Rockets or the Celtics and y'all just want to straight up trade, hey, hit my email. But I got this New York Knicks joint, white, gray, blue, orange. It's not a bad jersey. It's not a bad jersey at all. I just think the Celtics and the Rockets were the best ones. So that was just a quick first pickup. Nothing to unbox there, but I did go ahead and grab that. Was lucky enough to at least grab a size because it seemed like these things were pretty limited. But I did go ahead and pick one of those up. So now it is time to get into this first package. I got my knife here, but most of this stuff I won't really need a knife for, but you know, just for the spirit of the video, you know what I mean, I'll poke a couple holes in it. So this first bag right here is actually going to be from Supreme. I copped this when I was in Atlanta, and just small, very small pickups. I still need to get that casino jacket because that puffer is hard. It's also 358 bucks, but I think it's still sitting, so I might end up getting that. That was like one of my favorite pieces from this whole season. We had two pickups from Champion and Supreme. We got some stickers in here. What did I get? Oh, we got a slight box logo sticker right here. Blam, y'all see it with Supreme. Anything else in there? No. And then, you know, your standard regular box logo. This is actually a pretty fire box logo sticker right here. But I got like the liquid metal Champion embroider stuff in the light purple or the plum colorway. I don't know, to me it was the best colorway. Just got Supreme in the back. I mean, the peach is good as well, but you got purple. But I just really like the embroidery, how it has that 3D liquid metal effect. So Champion on the beanie. And then I also copped this right here. A lot of the stuff I'm just unfolding to fold and put back, but same colorway in the plum. I was gonna get the beanie in a different color, but I just really like this colorway. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and throw this stuff right back in the bag. Just plum, Champion, and Supreme. I'm very picky with the stuff that I grab. I might not grab the stuff that has a super crazy resale value, but the stuff that I actually like, luckily that stuff doesn't always instantly sell out. So I'm gonna toss that to the side. Now we got a couple boxes that I can actually get into, and I think I cheated on this one because if you look below, yes, yes, I did open this one up because I wasn't sure what it was, but now that I know, blam, that's the first box, toss that over. Yes, these new Pumas. Now I seen these at Complex Con, and I think my favorite colorway is that cream red and blue colorway. Those are fire, but this is the Puma RSX. Now this is apparently the toys colorway. I don't think these drop until later. I think they dropped at Complex Con for like an early preview drop, but I mean, I just gotta say, man, Puma they are adapting. They are definitely adapting to what's going on, and I do like this colorway, but that cream red and blue one is hard as well. I don't know, man. The design team is cranking out the more bulky runners, and I just think they're doing a good job. So Puma RSX, and this is the toys colorway, blam, so you can see them a little bit better because the light is trying to blast these guys out. But that was another pickup. Probably gonna see some IG flicks in these very soon. Just when you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up, appreciate you. Now this one I also checked too because I wasn't sure. When stuff hits my PO box, I never exactly know what it is, but this one was actually from a viewer, a subscriber, and brand name is called Forsaken. Got some literature right there. I would read it out, but it's just gonna take longer, so blam, you guys can see it right there. And he also did leave me a personal note, so I'll just go ahead and leave a link down below if you guys want to peep it out. But Drew, I appreciate you. I did get your package. It was in my P.O. box. Now this hoodie is from the No Spoilers collection, and I actually like this. Now there is some profanity on the front of it, but it says, "Did you know this was a fucking love story, ... kind of that wavy font." And then on the back you guys can see where that movie-esque feel comes in. Down here with your rating, it says F Forsaken, may contain some fucking horrible language and sexual stuff. So hey Drew, I do actually like this hoodie a lot. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. That was just some love from the P.O. box and from that fam FAM mail. So blam, that was that. Now I'm gonna open up these three last because all of those are brand new sneaker pickups. This first I'm gonna get into is right here that I have already cheated and opened as well, but I have been telling y'all I was waiting for this, and this one is from 10 Deep. They did throw some stickers in here that I actually really do like, kind of similar to like the all the lights and everything. I waited for about, I don't know, maybe a month and a half for this. I knew it was gonna take a while, and this is probably the last thing you guys are gonna expect me to pull out of here. But if I go like this, I got this guy right here, which is the 10 Deep fire extinguisher. Now why did I cop a 10 Deep fire extinguisher? First off, I fuck with 10 Deep. Second off, it looks cool. Third off, it's gonna look very cool in my background, and you can actually use this. So if my room catches on fire from all the heat, sorry that was corny, just skip over that joke, wasn't a good joke. Hopefully if nothing catches on fire, we'll never have to use it, but it does work. So the 10 Deep fire extinguisher, you seen it here first. Just another cool random item. Let me go ahead and move this box over to the right, move this down here, and matter of fact, I'm gonna keep that right there in the background. Now we got three more pickups right here. One was from a homie on Twitter, one was from Sneakers and Stuff, and then this one was from, I think I just bought these off of Goat. So I'm gonna get into this one first because this shoe is just one of those shoes that I've wanted for a very long time and I never got. And it's something a little bit different. It's not the most popular. I just go ahead and say the SB. But it was one of my favorite SBs that I had seen that my cousin had on. Like I always tell you guys, my cousin was always the SB guy. He got me into SBs. He was the one that, you know, I was like, oh, what is that? What is this? What is that? And I went ahead and picked these up for a great price at $180. They were DS. Goat did tell me though that they had a slight marijuana smell. And I actually got $9 knocked off of the price because of that marijuana odor. Now this is the Nike Dunk Low Premium SB size 12 vanilla, something red and black frost. And I believe that is a Flight Club sticker for $175. So if I go ahead and take this off the top of the box from Goat, we can get into this pickup. Gold box, Nike SB as you can see, and authentication tag, and these, the mosquitoes. Now like I said, this is by no means the most popular SB out there, but it is one of my favorites, and it is one that I wanted for a very long time. Now I'll try to get a little B-roll, but there is actually a mosquito with a Nike SB sock on the inside of here. And just to get them brand new, I think these dropped in what, 06, 07? Nah, 08. So these dropped 10 years ago. 10 years ago, these dropped brand new still with the laces intact. I don't really, oh yeah, never mind. I'm about to say I don't smell it, but it's there. It's there, I smell it. But still, fire pair SBs, mosquito, Nike SB Dunks, fire. And to get them for what, 172 or 170 bucks, steal. So that was one pickup that I've been waiting to see in person, and man, they look even better in person. So blam, throw that away, blam, throw that away. This box right here I actually got from Sneakers and Stuff, SNS. While I was out at Complex Con, they actually had this weird thing happen with SNS where you could, I don't need it again. Where they had actually held back sneakers. I know the homie Seth. I think Seth got the Blazers. I'm pretty sure Hess also got the all-white, off-white ones, which that's a lick. The European guys for retail, lick. But thank you for shopping at SNS Sneakers and Stuff. By the time I got to it, I was super late on the sale, and this was the last thing I could get. Air Max 1 Premium Retro in a size 8, medium gray and clear jade. This is not a bad shoe by any means, but it's a size 8. It's a small size. It's a very nice shoe. If I could have gotten my size, I probably would have ended up keeping these because this leather is wild on the toe. But this is the Atmos Air Max 1, and I was actually able to get these for retail from Sneakers and stuff while I was actually out at Complex Con. These joints are clean in person. Probably just gonna use a squala I get from Knees to get my own pair or something else. But size 8 Atmos Air Max 1s for retail from Sneakers and stuff. Appreciate them for that link, and thank you to Seth, and thank you to Heskicks for coming through and just giving me the info. Without them, this wouldn't happen. I've been walking around seeing everybody get these shoes to retail like, yo, how did y'all get those? And the last shoe we got right here is from Twitter. The homie hit me up. Actually, I hit him up. He had tweeted at me telling me to retweet these joints. And once I saw the price for what they were, size 12 worn once, I was like, nah, you know what? I'm not gonna retweet those for you. I'm actually just gonna buy them from you, my G. So I bought these way back when I was in Atlanta about 3 weeks ago, and I'm just finally getting to see them. They are worn once, but I think I got them for a very, very good price. He did leave a note in here. It says, thanks for the purchase, bull, hashtag delayed W. Yes, this is a delayed W, as you guys can see. Don't need the knife, we are done with that. There is a bag down here. There is a McDonald's bag for some chicken McNuggets. I think that's just to hold the box, so thanks for the extra support in the box. But if we flip this, there's also a Chipotle bag. Buddy has been eating. I don't know what these are for, but appreciate you, thank you. But Nike swoosh on the top of the box. Y'all already know what's going on. The 10 Nike Air Max 97 OG USD retail 190 that I pay retail no, but yes, the all black, off-white Air Max 97 worn once for about $200 less than what the market is on these right now. Blam, here they are, Air on the back, all black. Bam, you see that, Beaverton, Oregon, Air Max 97, all black. I needed some more all black, off-white kicks. I only have my Vapor Maxes. So you got the white laces and the zip tie right there. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else in the box. Just a couple delayed W's. I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff on Bulls Bodega, so basically I'm getting rid of stuff and copying stuff. I'm trying to just make sure I'm recycling and just filling in the blanks basically. But yo, shouts out to the homie. Thank you for that delayed W. You already know these will be worn very, very soon. I'm really bad with that, bro. Y'all know I'll get a shoe and wear it instantaneously. So I don't know, maybe I wear these tonight, but I think tonight is definitely gonna go to those Mosquito SBs. But listen, that's it. That's unboxing a ton of dope shit, and I will see you on the next video. So much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cv, by the way. Here, there, blasey blah. Of course, hold on. I have them here. Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see y'all on that next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Heater Hype is going to be up tomorrow. I just want to do something a little bit easier for me to edit, which would be this unboxing. And yeah, man, that's a wrap. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.